Just watch my hands. You're pushing that up. So you are opening that box. Therefore it will not work. You've got to keep that box shape. Yeah? Yeah, you watch your hands, you stay the same.